Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this battery energy power cell kind of icon. I think it looks really good. You can use this for a simulator game. For example, let's say the skills tab. This would be the perfect icon to use. Before we start, just real quick, going forward with this channel, the current videos like this one I'm making, I'm just going to go through and try to make as many icon tutorials as I can, just to give you guys something to watch, practice if you like. Of course, I will also be doing bigger, more, I guess, I'm just doing more advanced design. Alright, with that being said, let's hop right into it. To make this, I'm going to start off with a new layer. Let's grab the ellipse tool. We're going to make this part. So try to get the ellipse as accurate as possible. We're going to hit Control T and just rotate, and you can readjust until the shape is how you think it should be. Yeah, I think that's fine. Now we're going to, let's go right click and binding options. Because right here we're going to go for a gradient overlay. Let's go to normal. And for the gradient, we can select a darkest shade of blue here, and for the lightest shade right here. Okay, we're going to change the angle, as you can see. Just about there should be fine. Let's make a new layer under our ellipse, and we're gonna go with our pencil mode, shape, fill, use black, stroke will be off. We're gonna go right here, we're gonna go up, do this little arc that we have here. Okay, we connect. We want to connect and drag this back and drag this back here. Alright, once we have that, okay, everything should be fine. I'm going to double click. I'm going to change the color here to, let's go for this color. I don't think it matters. Anyways, right here, let's make a new layer. Right click and hit mask. Take your brush tool, you can pause, check out my settings, and select hold Alt, and you could use the eyedropper, pick a color, and I'm just gonna start painting and try to match these colors up. See, this part is a bit darker. Now let's make this part, which is very, very simple. It will just be a new layer. I'm gonna go for a pencil. You can use your ellipse tool, I guess. I'm not sure working as well, but oh well. It's fine too. Just go boom. Drag this across and select color, layer, create mask. Space and nice little highlights, and that's pretty much it for that one. Now let's do the bottom. The same process, pretty much. Let's make it ellipse, rotate, boom. There we go. Double click, select the color, the layer, clip, select this color. The layer, let's go for right here. Oops. Okay. Now we're just gonna connect this and go down. And this should be fine. Double click. Let's change the color. Alright. Okay, now to make this thing, it's actually very easy. We are just gonna make a new layer. I'm gonna go for the pencil. Now I'm gonna change this to path. I should keep it on shape. We're gonna make this. We're gonna go up. So go across right here, and that should be it. Okay, so right here, you're gonna turn the fill all the way down. you're going to make a new layer. You're gonna hold Control, click on the shape icon right here, this little box. This will make a selection. Now you can use your brush tool, select the color white, and we're just gonna paint this. Go up here. Oh yeah, with this you can also clip it and add some black into it, so you can actually see. And yeah, that is pretty much it. With this thing, to make this look more presentable, we could copy this under this little shadow, and like that. It's good. Like that. Right here, there, and we can also make this bolt blue. And like I said, much more stuff coming soon. Full entire UI tutorials, not just small frames or individual frames, but the entire UI. Yeah, that's going to be it. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time.